Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, I'm Nandita. Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. To solve all your tiffin worries, we are bringing to you 200 recipes for 200 school days. Today I'm going to show you how to make aloo and dal dumplings, which I guarantee your kids will love. It's an excellent source of carbohydrate and protein. So let us see how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin. I'm just going to start putting all the ingredients one by one into this bowl. We have some cooked chana dal here. We have some cooked, peeled and coarsely mashed potatoes. We have some chopped onions here. Grated ginger. Cumin seeds. Green chilies finely chopped, or you can also add green chili paste if you want. And for seasoning, we are going to add some coarsely crushed black pepper. There's black salt. There's finely chopped coriander. And some lemon juice. And our final ingredient, Kissan ketchup. And this really adds the fresh taste of tomatoes and it blends really well with all the ingredients. So let's mix this all together. I'm just going to add a little bit of breadcrumbs to this itself so that it holds better. So now you can see that the mixture has come together nicely. So let us shape these into cylinders. Now I'm just going to heat up some oil in the pan here. While the oil is heating up, let's coat the dumplings here. So I'm just going to lightly roll it in some atta. And then we have a bowl of buttermilk. Just going to dip it in this. And then quickly put it on a plate of breadcrumbs. So now this is ready. Let's proceed to shallow fry these. So on a low to medium flame, we will shallow fry this for around 5 to 7 minutes, and then slowly we can keep moving the pan so that all the sides get golden brown. So gently just turn them over so that all sides get nicely golden brown like this one. So as you can see, our aloo dal dumplings are nice, crispy and golden brown. I'm just going to remove this onto a plate here. So these are ready. Come on, let's pack it into the tiffin. And some healthy almonds. And some cubed pineapple. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network, like and share our video. I'll be back tomorrow to show you how to make Har Din Naya Tiffin, Har Din Empty Tiffin.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.